Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to download the Starling Bank mobile app. To get the Starling Bank app, you'll need a smartphone. The app is available on the Apple App Store for iPhones and the Google Play Store for Android devices. First, open the App Store on your phone. For iPhones, this is the App Store icon. For Android, it's the Google Play Store icon. Next, use the search bar to find the app. Type in Starling Bank and hit search. You should see the official Starling Bank app in the search results. Make sure it's the correct one by checking the logo and the developer, which should be Starling Bank. Tap the download or install button. You may need to enter your password, use Face ID, or use your fingerprint to confirm the download. Once the download is complete, the app icon will appear on your phone's home screen. Tap the icon to open the app and begin the account application process. You'll need a valid photo ID and a few minutes to complete the application. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.